Now let us read the 54th question. The right option for the statement Tyndall effect is exhibited by. We know that Tyndall effect is exhibited by colloidal solutions only. Colloidal solutions only. Now let us verify each and every option which is the colloidal solution. Okay. First option, urea. Urea is not a colloidal solution. It's a not true solution. So option 1 is eliminated. Now let us come to the option 2. Here sodium chloride solution. Sodium chloride solution is also a true solution. So option 2 also eliminated. Now let us come to the third option, glucose solution. Glucose also is a true solution. So option 3 also eliminated. Now let us come to the fourth option, torch solution. We know that torch is a colloidal solution. That's why it exhibits the Tyndall effect. So our answer is 4 is our correct answer.